we've got Luna who would like to order pudding. And our fourth item, we want to search for pudding. So it says that there's an error, #NA, which says, did not find value pudding in HLOOKUP evaluation. Well, the reason why is that pudding is not one of the items in the table. If we look at the table, there is no pudding in row 2. And this is why there is an error. So this is a valid error. And there are ways to manage this using other functions, such as the if error function. Say if you want to put it blank there or you want to type a note there, you can do that. And you can check out my if error function video in the description below. The link is in the description below, where you can take a look at that to see how to use the if error function to manage errors like this. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.